Welcome back to Betty Lou's Corner. Today we're going to open up some My Little Pony cards. Let's get started! I got 6 packs here, so I'm going real fast. Well, as fast as I can go. Which apparently ain't that fast. House Mouse, Professor Nay, Meanie Pants, Ingenious Rock, Royal Rip. Let me start over. Royal Rip, Ponyville in a Bottle, Spread Your Wings, Berry Dreams, Stand Still, Here's Your Invitation, Flim, Lead Pony Badge. Who is Gabby Gums? Rainbow Shine, Avalanche, House Mouse, Professor Nay, Meanie Pants, Ingenious Rock, Charged Up. Granny Smith, look at that. Hello. Wild Manticorn, a Bully and a Beast. Outshine them all. Kitchen Hot Flambe, Sweetie Sunrise, Aurora Guidance, Comet Dale, Monitor Everything, Noteworthy, Blue Moon, Golden Oak Library, Undercover Adventure, that's another holo, Flam, Hard Hat, and Fashion Feast. Twilight Sparkle, I Can Fix It, Emerald Green, Yellow Pear Sprite, Blue Jay, High Spirits, The Problem with Pear Sprites, Assault Cake, another holo, Berry Dreams, May the Best Pet Win, Finish Line, Pony Napped, Cerulean Skies, Purple's Pear Sprite, Amethyst Star, Flitter, Bunny Stampede, Apple Cobbler, Fighting for Friendship, Featherweight. Hello, let's get this party started. Downright Dangerous, Trixie's Hat, Focus Study. Last pack. Forest Owl, Pinkie Pie, Adventurous Adventures in Fowl Sitting, Granny Smith, Rubber Chicken, Paris Bright Pandemic, Winona, Apple Brown Betty, Mr. Beaventon Beaverteeth, Trixie's Hat, Focus Study, and Maybays are for babies. That's all for this video. Please like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell icon. Thank you.